How to archive and unarchive Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive and unarchive post on Instagram. Whether you want to clean up your profile without deleting post or revisit archive content, I've got you covered. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Archiving a post on Instagram is a great way to hide it from your profile without losing it forever. And here is how you can do it. First, open the Instagram app. Once you have opened the Instagram app, simply head over to your profile by simply tapping on profile icon shown on the bottom right corner. Once you are in the profile, simply tap on the post that you want to archive. Once you are in the post, simply tap on the three dot in the top right corner of the post to access the menu. From the menu, select Archive and your post will be removed from your profile but saved in your archive. Don't worry, you can bring it anytime. Now, let's say you want to unarchive that post and restore it to your profile. Now, here is what you can do. Go to your profile and tap on the three line in the top right corner. Once you are in the settings and activity page, simply scroll down and tap on archive. And this is where all your archive content is stored. In the archive, you will see the three tabs: Story Archive, Post Archive, and Live Archive. Select the Post Archive and locate the post you want to unarchive. Now tap the post and then tap on the three dot in the top right corner. From the menu, select Show on Profile and the post will be restored to its original place on your profile. And there you have it. Archiving and unarchiving posts on Instagram is super simple. If this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.